Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send location on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send location on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, you can see you'll be required to first open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the location to. And after opening their chat box, guys, at the messages bar, you can see at the bottom of the screen over here, there's the attachment icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on that attachment icon over here, and this kind of menu will appear where if you scroll down, there is the location option available for us over here. Tap on the location, and you can see either to share your live location or your current location. Now, in order to send your location on WhatsApp, tap on the send your current location, and your location will be sent to that person on WhatsApp. And there, guys, this is how to send location on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.